Welcome to Elite Service Masters, your go-to source for all things home improvement. In today's video, we're diving into the most requested handyman services you need to know about in 2024. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone looking to keep your home in tip-top shape, we've got you covered with the essential repairs and maintenance tasks that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So if you're ready to transform your home with the help of the best handyman services available, stick around. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow homeowners, and subscribe for more home improvement content. Let's get started. First up, let's talk plumbing. One of the most common handyman requests, especially in 2024, is plumbing repairs and maintenance. From leaky faucets to running toilets, these small issues can quickly become big problems if left unchecked. Imagine waking up to a flooded bathroom because of a tiny leak that was ignored. Yikes! Handymen are often called in to fix these leaks, replace worn-out fixtures, and even handle more complex tasks like unclogging drains or installing new plumbing systems. It's all about keeping the water flowing where it should be, and not where it shouldn't. And here's a pro tip. Regularly check under sinks and behind appliances for any signs of leaks. A little vigilance can go a long way in preventing costly repairs. Next on the list, we have electrical repairs. Flickering lights, faulty outlets, or outdated wiring are all issues that should be handled by a pro. With the rise of smart home technology in 2024, homeowners are increasingly calling on handymen to install smart switches, lighting systems, and troubleshoot electrical problems. Not only do these repairs keep your home safe, but they also enhance your living space with modern conveniences. So, whether you're upgrading to smart lighting or just fixing a broken outlet, a handyman can help you avoid the shock of a DIY disaster. And remember, always turn off the power at the breaker before attempting any electrical work. Safety first! Coming in at number 3, we have drywall repair and patching. Whether it's a doorknob that went through the wall or just wear and tear over time, damaged drywall is a common issue. In 2024, handymen are frequently called upon to patch up holes, fix cracks, and even repaint areas to match the rest of the wall. A smooth, well-maintained wall not only looks better, but also keeps your home structurally sound. Here's a handy tip. Use fine grit sandpaper to smooth out the patched area before painting for a seamless finish. Your walls will thank you. Fourth on our list is carpentry work. From fixing squeaky stairs to building custom shelves, carpentry is a highly requested service that can add both function and style to your home. In 2024, more homeowners are opting for custom storage solutions and furniture upgrades. Handymen with carpentry skills are in high demand to bring these creative ideas to life. Whether it's repairing wooden decks, installing crown molding, or building that perfect bookshelf, a skilled handyman can make it happen. Pro tip: custom carpentry not only improves your living space, but can also significantly increase your home's value. It's a win-win! Last but not least, we have painting and touch-ups. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for your home's interior and exterior. Whether you're looking to refresh a room, touch up scuffs, or completely change your home's color scheme, painting is one of the quickest ways to transform a space. Handymen are often brought in to handle everything from prepping the surfaces to the final coat of paint. In 2024, bold colors and accent walls are trending, so don't be afraid to make a statement with your next paint job. And a quick tip for all you dyers: always use painter's tape for those clean, professional-looking edges. It's a game changer! And there you have it, the most requested handyman services you need to know about in 2024. Whether it's plumbing, electrical, drywall, carpentry, or painting, these essential tasks can make a big difference in maintaining and improving your home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Elite Service Masters for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.